What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Domino 7 here. I wanna give my condolence right now. I can't believe I heard the news. Okay, I was on Facebook. If I wouldn't have got on Facebook on my phone, I wouldn't have never known about this. Bob Saget passed away today. Oh Lord, I'm so heartbroken. I am totally heartbroken. Hosting America's Funniest Home Videos. The Played Danny Tanner on Full House, host of One versus 100, my favorite game show. Oh my Lord, I'm so heartbroken. Oh my God, I'm so heartbroken. Oh Lord, I'm so heartbroken. I can't believe the news I heard. Lord, I can't believe I heard the news. Okay, the way I feel right now, I have no other choice but to put this video on three of my YouTube channels: Dominoes 66 Gameplay, Domino 7, and the Domino 7 Show channel. I have no other choice but to put this video on my on. I even have no choice but to put this on Facebook. You know. Oh my God, I'm so heartbroken. Bob Saget of all people, he passed away today. Oh my God. I would have never known this because, Rich Fields posted that on his Facebook page. You know? Yes, indeed. Post the news and now, oh, Lord. Let me see. Legendary was found dead in his Florida hotel. Oh, my God. Oh, Lord. Can't believe what the hell I'm about to read or what I'm going to read. You know? Oh my God, I'm so heartbroken. Jesus Christ. Oh Lord, this is totally heartbreaking. Uh, 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 on Who was staying at the Ritz Carlton in Orlando, Florida, was found unresponsive in his room by the hotel staff around 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Eastern. Uh, He was pronounced dead upon arrival of emergency responders. No cause of death was immediately available, but there was no foul play or drug use detected at the scene. He had performed a upstand, I mean, say a stand-up set in Jacksonville the previous evening. Lord have mercy. Sometimes I mess up on my reading. Oh my God. This is so heartbroken, so heartbreaking. I can't believe this happened. You know what happened? Did he did if there's no foul play? What happened? Was it natural causes? Was it a heart attack or something? Please, somebody say something. Well, whatever he died from or whatever, please say something. Comment on this video or something. You know. Lord have mercy. I'm very heartbroken about this. I mean, let me tell y'all something. I was hoping and praying for this game show One versus 100 to come back and he be the host again. I recently watched that game show on YouTube 3 weeks ago. You know, with him hosting, and Ken Jennings was on there. Mm-hmm. I I wonder how Ken Jennings feel about Bob Saget's passing. Now that's not the second person the second game show host that Ken Jennings know about that passed away. First Alex Trebek to his knowledge, then Bob Saget. So he right up there with Alex Trebek. And with Art Fleming and Cindy Stowell. Hmm. I mean, I mean, Cindy Stowell passed away be, before her episodes aired. Hmm. So, so on that note, she would have been in the tournament of champions if she would have still been alive. I mean, I was hoping and praying for One versus 100 to come back. I was really hoping for that, you know. So Bob Saget is right up there in heaven with Braden Smith, you know. Yep. So he right up there with Larry Martin and Braden Smith, you know. Yeah, cause you know, so some of you people know that he passed away too, you know, cause he would have been in a tournament of champions if he was still alive, you know. Oh, this is heartbreaking, you know. And and for Bob Saget's family and also the Full House cast, my condolence to y'all as well, family and friends. Oh Lord, I'm lost for words right now. You know, I mean, I also heard that somebody I know, my friend grandmother passed, well, aunt passed away. You know, I think it was today or yesterday. You know, and then my friend Johnny. I don't know if y'all subscribe to his YouTube channel, Johnny Jen. His mom passed away yesterday, okay, or was it the day before yesterday? You know, so his mom passed away the day before yesterday. You know, my condolences to him and his family as well. You know, so I don't know if y'all watch his videos, Johnny Jen, okay, Johnny Jen I mean say Ginn, okay. So y'all subscribe to his channel, okay. This is totally heartbreaking, you know. I'm also heartbroken about what happened to his mom. You know, I mean, I I love his mom like that was my mom. You know. Okay. All right. So that's all I got to say, y'all. Bob Saget, rest in peace. Okay. You will be truly missed, especially by me. You hear me? I mean, I missed that game show 1 versus 100, and you the best game show host. You know. Yep. Thank you for that, Bob Saget. You know, you are truly missed. Thank you for America's Funniest Home Videos. You host that, and thank you for Full House. And I still watch Full House when they come on, but I haven't been on Nick at Night lately. Okay, so maybe they gon' rerun Full House on TBS or TV Land. You know, I don't know. Okay, but it was recently on Nick at Night. You know, maybe they gonna put that Full House back on Nick at Night again. Okay, all right. So God bless you, Bob Saget. You are truly missed already, and God bless your soul. You gonna be truly missed. All right. God bless. And thank you, Bob Saget. All right. May you rest in peace.